Today we know how to calculate the number of terms in the expansion by simple trick of math. If we take a single digit, that is a, and put a power like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we put the power is 1, we get a single digit. It means if any digit have a power and its expansion value have a single digit, it means in any expansion of a single digit the number of terms is only 1. If you take another example, a square, we get a square. It means it also satisfies this because the number of terms in a square is also 1. Similarly, if we take another example, b cube, the value of b cube is b cube. It means only single digit. Similarly, in two digit expansion, a plus b की power 0, we get 1. If another example we take a plus b की power 1, we get 2 digit. Then a simple trick of math which says that in the 2 digit sum expansion the number of digit is n plus 1. So if we put the value of n, where n is the power of the expansion, here is the power 1. If we put the value of n is 1, we get 2. It means the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b is 2. Similarly, in a plus b की power whole 0, if we put n in place of 0, we get number of terms is 1, and hence we find out that only one term whose value is 1, and here there are two terms because here n is 1, and if we put the value of n is 1, we get 2. Similarly, a plus b का whole cube, we do not require to expand this because we know a simple formula. Here n is 3. If we put the value of n is 3, we get 4. It means the number of terms in the expansion a plus b का whole cube is 4. Similarly, we can expand the 3 digit number power like 2. Here the simple formula is for this expansion is n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2, and if we put the value of 2 there, then we get 3 4 by 2, and we get 6. It means on expanding a plus b plus c का whole square, we get 6 number of terms, and as we all know that a plus b plus c का whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means 6 number of terms, and hence this formula is satisfied for 3 digit sum expansion. Similarly, it means for 1 digit expansion only number of terms is 1. For 2 digit expansion we find the number of terms is n plus 1. For 3 digit expansion we find that the number of terms is n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2, and we can also write that 2 in place of 2 factorial, and hence It is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing else but 2 factorial is 2. जिस प्रकार n फैक्टोरियल की वैल्यू n, n-1, n-2 डॉट 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 1 तक होती है, उसी प्रकार 2 फैक्टोरियल की वैल्यू 2 होगी. 2 इंटू 1 इट मीन्स 2. ओके. सिमिलरली फॉर 3 digit expansion we find out that n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2 factorial. For 4 digit expansion similarly we can also write that n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 by 3 factorial. Okay, if we put the value of n, then we get the number of terms in the expansion of 4 digit expansion. It's a simple trick. For example, if we take an example a plus b plus c plus d का whole square, then you can easily find out the number of terms in a plus b plus c plus d का whole square. If we put the value 2 in place of n in this expansion, we get 3 into 4 into 5 upon 3 factorial, and 3 factorial is 6. It is 6. So 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. It means in a plus b plus c plus d का whole square we get number of terms is 10. If you satisfy this in a simple problem like a plus b plus c plus d की power 0, we get 1 into 2 into 3 by 3 factorial, and 3 factorial is 6. It is simply 6. 3 into 2 into 1 it means 6. So 6 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 cancel, and we get only one digit, because you know any power 0 we get only one digit value, and it is also only 1, and hence we can say that a simple formula we generate. What is this formula? This formula is very simple. For a single digit expansion the number of terms is 1. For 2 digit expansion the number of terms is n plus 1. For 3 digit expansion you can also remember that n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2 factorial. For 3 digit expansion you can get n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 by 3 factorial. Similarly for 4 digit expansion n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 n plus 4 by 4 factorial. If we see it in a simple way, we find out that for 1 digit expansion we learn that only 1 digit. For 2 digit sum expansion we get n plus 1, where n is the power of the expansion. For 3 digit expansion n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2 factorial. It means for every expansion n plus 1 is increased. For 3 digit expansion n plus 1 convert to goes to n plus 2 expansion, and for 4 digit expansion it completed after n plus 3 expansion. For 5 digit expansion it completed after 4 digit n plus 4, and you also find out that for 2 digit expansion here is 1 factorial whose value is 1, and that's why we are only written as n plus 1. You also write in the form n plus 1 by 1 factorial. So n plus 1, here is n plus 1 by 1 factorial. Here is 2 factorial, here is 3 factorial, here is 4 factorial, and you can calculate any number of terms of any expense. For you can calculate rth term number of terms, and you can calculate the number of terms in rth term expansion. So the number of terms in rth term expansion is n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, dot dot dot, n plus r minus 1. And here is for second term we find out that only 1 factorial, for third term 2 factorial, for fourth term 3 factorial, for fifth term 4 factorial, and hence for rth term r minus 1 factorial. So it's a very simple trick to calculate the number of terms in any expense. Thank you. Hopefully you like this video. So to comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.